Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to open and launch your FieldGenius for Android application. So what I've done is I've installed FieldGenius for Android, and if you want to know how to install it, I'm going to link to a video in the top right corner, but I've installed the application on my Juniper CT8X2 tablet. And what I'm going to do to open the application is I can either hit the app icon that's on the top left of my screen that you can see here, or if I'm using an Android tablet, and the one thing to note here is there can be some differences between different Android operating systems, so this may not be exactly as your device works. But for my CT8, I can also swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and that's going to open up my application tray. In here, I can also find that FieldGenius application. And if I click on the application here, you're going to see a little opening animation here that's going to launch to my main project screen. And once on my project screen here, I can open a new project, I can create a new project, I can open an existing one, I can restore a project and proceed with my work as I normally would. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you launch Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.